No decision yet. Government to do an assessment before making a call on importing certain foods post-burial. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Also this evening, state gives assurance political ties have no bearing on who gets hurricane relief. And senior citizen among 2 killed in gun attack in Manchester. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.